everybody. My name is John Wilcox. I've been a long-time volunteer here at Lakewold Gardens, and it's late April. The rhodies are in bloom, flowering trees are spectacular. It's a great day to be in the garden. Now the garden you're used to, if you've ever been here before, is right up here. This is what's considered the formal garden that surrounds the Wagner house up there. And off to this side, we have an informal woodland garden. And most people that come here sooner or later learn that this garden is about 10 acres in size. And by the time they're through walking around, most people feel as if they've seen all of the 10 acres. Well, surprise, surprise, they have not. There's that 10th acre that is not open to the public. And there's a reason it's not open to the public, but I thought you'd like to see what that 10th acre is all about. Because we have some thoughts about what we could do to open it to the public eventually. This path behind me was built 100 years ago, back in the early 1920s. It was built by the people who lived here at the time, who were the H.F. Alexanders. He built this trail. Now we call it the Alexander Path. Notice all the blackberry that's here. When I first started working at the garden 20 years ago, one of my jobs was to clear out all this blackberry, and it was much higher and more dense than you see right now, and it extended the full length of the beach. And we were just trying to open it up a little bit so we could know what was down here. Back in that time, around the 2000, you couldn't tell there was a trail here. There were vines over here, there was blackberry over it, and what we want to do in the near future, if we possibly can, is to open this beach to you, the public, so you too can come down here and enjoy history. We want to take you back to what it must have been like in 1920 or so. We need to start a campaign to collect some donations that will help repair these things, the steps, the wall, and provide maintenance. So I'm really excited about this. As I say, I've been here for 20 years, and one of the goals that I've always had in the back of my mind is get the beach reopened to the public. The beach is a place where people naturally want to go. And this Alexander Path will take you back in history. If you want to walk the high beach, you're welcome to go on the low beach as well. So that's what our mission is today. And I hope you'll find this possible in the not too distant future and join me and others in touring the beach. Thanks for coming along today.